In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a file inbox to prevent editing. If you ever need to freeze a document in place so no one can make changes, Box has a built-in lock feature that keeps your file safe and stable. Here's exactly how to use it, along with a few tips to help you choose the right settings with confidence. First, sign into the Box web application and navigate to the folder where your file lives. Make sure you're looking at the exact file you want to protect. You'll need the appropriate permissions in that folder, typically editor or higher, to lock a file. If you don't see the option later, that's a sign you may need elevated access. Next, open the File's options. You can do this in two ways. Either right-click directly on the file name, or click the three-dot ellipsis that appears next to it in the file list. Both open the same menu, so use whichever is more comfortable for you. From that menu, choose Lock. This opens a small pop-up with a couple of settings that control how the lock behaves. Start with lock duration. You can set a specific time frame, like 1 hour or 1 day, if you just need a short window for review or approvals. This is handy when you want the document to reopen automatically after a meeting or deadline. If you're not sure how long you need, select Unlimited. That keeps the file locked until you decide to come back and unlock it manually, giving you full control. Below that, you'll see Disable Download. Turn this on if you want to prevent other users from downloading the file while it's locked. This is a great choice when you're working with sensitive content or a draft that isn't ready for wider distribution. Keep in mind, disabling downloads is optional. The lock itself already stops others from editing. Once your settings look right, click Lock to confirm. You'll see a red padlock icon appear next to the file name, which is your visual confirmation that the restriction is in place. Collaborators who try to make changes will be blocked while the lock is active, and if you chose a duration, it will lift automatically at the time you set. That's all there is to it. Navigate to the file, open the options, select Lock, pick your duration, decide whether to disable downloads, and confirm. Use this whenever you need a stable version for sign-off, a clean snapshot for auditing, or simply a quiet period where no edits slip through.